Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give 5 numbers, and then by using ng model in AngularJS we will solve the sum of the 5 numbers. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, fans, and subscribers in my channel, particularly with Sir Ernil, Sir Daven, Sir Ma'am Robilin, and Marshmallow for always watching my videos, my avid subscribers. If you want to be shout out in my channel, kindly leave your name and then put shout out. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. And don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here enter first value. We have 2, we have 3, we have 3, we have 5, we have 6, we have 19. So the sum of 2, 3, 5, 6, and 19 is 35. Okay. So another example, we have 4, tab, we have 5, we have 12, we have 18, we have 21. So the sum of 4, 12, 5, 18, and 21 is 60. As we can see, every time that we put a value here, our program will automatically perform computation using AngularJS. Okay, so let us go with the code. Okay, so we have here the code. Let's read the problem. Write a program that uses ng model directive that will accept 5 numbers from the user, and then the program will display the 5 given numbers and compute the total of the given 5 numbers and display the results on the screen. So we have here the series of comment written by your friend Professor Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, Maid IT MIT. The date where I wrote this code is July 26, 2021. That is last year, Monday at 3 p.m. The location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So we have here 2 websites where you can download my code, www.jakerpomperada.com, and then the other one is www.jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. It's free, no, to download the code. No, kindly visit guys. And then currently I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development. You can email me at a very reasonable cost at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Okay, so we have here HTML head title addition of 5 numbers using ng model in AngularJS. Title head, body font family Arial, font size 25px, font weight bold, style, script type text JavaScript AngularJS, div ng app, initialize the variables val_1, val_2, val_3, val_4, val_5, which has a value of 0. And then we have here the title and the addition of 5 numbers using ng model in AngularJS. And then here, using a table, we are asking the user to give value that will be stored in our variable ng model val1, ng model val2, for the third value ng model val3, and then fourth value ng model val4, and then lastly fifth value ng model val5. And then we are here the expression we add, no, and then we close the div, and then the body HTML. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Okay, let us again refresh our program in our browser. So we have here 5, 12, 16, 1, and 8. So the sum of 58, 12, 16, 1, and 0 is 87. Another example, we have 67, 23, 56, 12, 65. The sum of 67, 23, 56, 12, and 65 is 223. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video, guys, on addition of 5 numbers using ng model in AngularJS. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel, guys, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.